How can we create frequency tables in Microsoft Excel? So we want to count categorical variables in Excel, right? So for example, model year here or the origin, they are categorical, and we want to see how many values there are in each entry, in each type of the categorical variable. So if you go with the origin here, right? So we have 3 different values, 1, 2, and 3. So let's see how many cars are in each category. So for that, what I will do is I will create a small table here. Okay, so let's make this bigger. So let's say this is origin and this is the frequency of that. So for that, I will write 1, 2, 3 here. These are my origins, the unique values in this column here. And the second thing here, I will calculate how many values there are. So for that, I will use COUNTIF function, open parentheses. It asks for the range. The range is this column here, the origin column. And then the criteria. This means basically it will count those values only if they satisfy a certain condition, okay? And now I'm going to specify that condition. That condition is I want the value to be equal to 1. So this means count all the vehicles that are of origin 1. Close parentheses, enter. So it shows 12. This means there are 12 vehicles from origin 1. If I just hit this corner here, which there's a small plus sign, and hold it down and drag it down, I can just apply the same formula to all these cells here. Now, instead of counting, cars from origin 1, it will count cars from origin 2, and here it will count the vehicles from origin 3. The nice thing about Excel is that since I arranged this as a data table, it understands that this is one single entity, right? And I'm going to work on this data. So that's why it keeps this the range value here to be this origin column. And then it automatically changes this value when I drag it down. So it makes my job quite easy. So you see there's 20 vehicles in total. I see that sum here at the bottom. And the most number of vehicles are from origin 1. And then origin 2 has 5 vehicles and origin 3 has 3 vehicles. Okay. So to make this table a bit more nicer, I can put some borders around it, and I can make this bold, and that's about it. Thank you.